Experience Lake Oswego living in this impeccably maintained one-level home. It's ideally located near Oswego Lake with access to 3 lake easements, restaurants, shops, and highly desirable Lake Oswego schools. Nestled in the trees, it's wonderfully private, your own secluded retreat. Head inside and discover a light and bright interior with vaulted ceilings and expansive windows. You'll find multiple spaces and patios for outdoor entertaining. Create your favorite cuisine in the chef's kitchen, featuring top-of-the-line cafe appliances, sleek countertops, and abundant cabinet space. Retreat to the spacious primary suite, where you can head out to the private patio for your morning coffee or a quiet evening. Unwind in the updated primary bath, complete with a large, relaxing tub. This home of nearly 1,800 square feet features 2 more additional bedrooms with new carpeting and a shared full bath. Plus a comfortable home office. The backyard oasis offers so much character in a lush private setting. You'll find a tool shed and a detached studio with power that makes for the perfect work-from-home office or gym. Other features include an EV charger, a new furnace and heat pump, and a new hardscape driveway. A fantastic home in a coveted location. It's all here, ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.